If the charging port on your smartphone isn't quite as tight as it used to be, or it's come loose over time, here's a quick little tip that might just sort that out for you. Hi there, I'm Paul FP with the Switched On Network, and this little tip is just about how to get the charging port on your smartphone to be a bit tighter. You might notice over time that it doesn't quite go all the way in anymore and is a little bit loose and might even come out more easily when you pick it up, especially if you're not using the official charger, which I am here, but you can see how it doesn't always stay on. Now this tip is courtesy of my brother Aaron, so go and give him a little follow. The issue is a simple one. It's just dust that gets into the charging port over time and creates a thin layer, meaning that the actual plug won't go quite all the way in to make a nice snug fit. We're talking fractions of a millimetre, but that can make the difference. Now, the way to sort it is to take a paper clip. You need to be very, very careful when you're doing this. Obviously, I accept absolutely no liability whatsoever for any circumstances that happen in any of your life after watching this video. But if you take this in here and then just very carefully scrape out any dust that might have built up. Now, I was rather hoping that when I did this, I'd get a big clump of dust out like my brother did, who told me this tip. I could, of course, have faked that for the video, but you don't get a fakery on the Switched On Network, you know that. Right, I think that's as dust-free as it's going to be now, so plug that in, and hopefully that will be a little bit tighter than it was now. If that doesn't work, you could try a bent staple, because that's obviously a little bit thinner. That might do a better job of getting little tiny bits of dust out, but hopefully that should be a little bit firmer now over time. I hope that video has been helpful for you. If that's worked for you, then please give the video a thumbs up, and if you've not done already, subscribe to the Switched On Network. See you in the next video. Going to break this making this video.